Hi and welcome to Creation Depot. My name is Wendy Literal and today I'm going to show you how to use word count in Google Docs. So if you're anything like me, you use Google Docs for basically everything. Google Drive, Google Docs, just everything. And one of the things that I have really liked about Google Docs is just how it's all digital, it's very easy to use, it's great, but there are some things that I like from Word that I would really like to transfer over to Google Docs. And one of the things that I have run into repeatedly is when working with social media and other character counts, like where I need to finesse something into a certain size, and as far as like character counts and word count, and I can't seem to do that in Google Docs, but you can. And it's actually not even that hidden, it's just for whatever reason I kept missing it. So all you need to do, it's not an add-on, it's nothing weird, it's you select your text, and then you go up to Tools, and you go to Word Count. There's even a shortcut for it, did you see that? Tools, word count is Control-Shift-C on a PC, and I think it's like Command-Shift-C on a Mac. But you select it, you go up to Tools, go to word count, and then you'll have your choices. You have pages, how many pages you've got. It'll also show you your words and the characters for excluding spaces, which can be important. But that is for your selected area. If you don't select anything and you do that same thing, Tools, word count, it's going to show you words for the entire document. And of course your characters and your characters without spaces as well. So that's important because if you're working on like a blog post, for example, you know you need to hit at least like 1900 characters in order for the Google to think that your blog post is substantial. This is an easy way to do it. So I hope this has been helpful to you and that you are able to figure it out now. I don't know why, but I always thought like I could right click, I could find it, I could do all these things. You got to go to Tools and you got to go to Word Count. It's right there in front of you. So hopefully this helps you guys out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll see if I can help you figure it out. I'm sure if I help you, I'll help myself too. So don't forget to like and subscribe. It does make the YouTube gods happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.